Welcome to Union Depot.
They're not running today. That happens in June. But we'll do it. The first day it's open. Is this your first time in this building?
No, actually, I think I've been here. No!
What do you think of the acoustics?
Oh, they're really horrible.
What do you want me to see? New development, new housing units, and new office spaces.
They did. Okay.
Thanks, ice cream lady. How's the ice cream?
What?
Good and free. How's the ice cream?
Really good. It's good, but it's loud.
What?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part so far?
The ice cream.
That was pretty good ice cream.
That was really good ice cream.
Well, because they're fun to be on.
Cool. Trains, Henry.
Because they're awesome.
Trains are awesome.
Oh, look at that.
I have the song Dumb Ways to Die in my head right now.
Oh, yeah.
That's a game too.
Dumb
It's really
ways
fun.
to die.
What?
It's a game.
So many
Like,
dumb ways to
My
die.
friends will have it on their phones.
Dumb
kinda
ways to
stupid.
die. So many dumb ways to die.
No, they're fine.
Is there another way down? I hope.
Oh. Head up. Go up. First class travel, huh, guys?
Uh-huh. It's like a plane, except
It was like a plane.
more comfortable, more like.
Love to have you back. Love to recognize you.
What kind of car is this?
This is a cross-country cafe.
Nice.
We're going through the lounge and snack section now, and then when you get down to the other end, that's the dining section, and that's served just like a restaurant. There's a full galley downstairs. This particular car operates on the City of New Orleans and on the Texas Eagle. On the Empire Building to serve St. Paul, we actually run a full-length dining car plus a full-length sightseer lounge car.
It's called a dumbwaiter. They send there's a kitchen downstairs, and they cook the food downstairs and send it up.
Turn around, stand. Dan, stay.
The model 6 one I'm not doing.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Salt, pepper, sugar, that kind of stuff.
I was gonna, but then she was throwing it out.
And they hooked.
Hold on, I gotta get you.
I would really like something like this.
Okay. Here we go. We gotta let other people.
Somebody shut the door on me.
Really?
Yeah, there's a loud kid out there that was cranky that they couldn't get into this one, but we're taking turns like good people. The good people of St. Paul take turns.
If we ever go on a train, I would like something like this.
This would be cool.
Do they have like safety nets? Because this seems kind of
All right, so what did we decide?
We're gonna do a trip somewhere on a train.
a trip somewhere on a
really
train,
like
and I would really love to have one of the rooms.
One of the sleeper cars? Those are awesome, aren't they?
The Superliner bedroom. Actually,
I like it.
You know what?
What?
We could all fit in one. Because someone would have to
Be
sleep
pretty
on the
tight.
chairs, but
Somebody'd have to sleep in a chair.
So, doesn't matter. I mean, they could.
I always sleep in the chairs.
Hannah's a good chair sleeper.
Oh yeah, we only had one room. It was more scary than anything else.
Motors got motors got bigger and bigger, and diesels got bigger and bigger, up to about this point. This thing weighs 180 tons, 360,000 pounds, and that limits you on how hard you can pull on the coupler. Because if I pull more than about 25% of that, the wheel's going to slip. 25% of the weight is the coefficient of friction. Remember your physics, the static coefficient of friction of steel is about 25%. And so if you start to slip, then the motor then you lose traction completely. And so this has sensors on every motor that as soon as it starts to slip, its voltage jumps up out of control and it shuts off the power. So now modern locomotives, they actually have slip controllers on every axle, and they try to slip just a little bit to get traction. We have sand that we blow in front of the front axle to put sand on the rail if I need more traction. We'll need, sometimes on a little locomotive, we'll need traction because, especially in the fall when you get leaves on the rail, you can't make it up any hill. I mean, literally, it's just like skating. And so in Osceola, we have a steep little hill as we come into Minnesota, and we've had to back down that hill and try it a couple times.
We're like, picking her up. She's like at the sun.
That white red. Lindy. Go through here. Why? Somebody not set up.
Oh, cool.
So I would go on the car that we went on first.
Yeah, we like that one better.
Yeah. Well, actually, there's one with higher bumpers.
It's got a nice paint job on the outside, but
Yeah, but
it's a little funky on the inside.
oh, bathroom.
40, 50, 60, $60.
Comfortable?
Yes, but hot.
It's hot. It's a little warm in here.
Warmer than usual.
Engineer and conductor.
Oh yeah, this was like the one we went on.
Caboose!
This one is a lot like that.
I like it.
Can I try going on? I'm gonna go on
You
one.
want to go upstairs?
Let those guys come on down first. And then got a little that view out
It
there.
would have been a good job.
Yep.
I'm going up there too.
Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay, let that guy come down. Where are we?
In the train.
You know, what kind of car?
Yeah.
Hannah's got it.
Caboose.
Caboose.
Got a bike path that just got built over that. So